Thinking about getting into embroidery or upgrading your machine? If you're a total beginner, a DIY crafter, or ready to start a business, having the right embroidery machine makes all the difference. In this video, I'll break down 7 of the best embroidery machines available on the market, covering every budget, feature, pros, and cons. Number 1 on our list is Brother SE700, best for beginners and hobbyists. The Brother SE700 is a 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine that's ideal for beginners or intermediate users looking for an easy entry point into embroidery. It features a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area, a responsive 3.7-inch color touchscreen, and built-in wireless LAN for seamless file transfers. With 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches, plus compatibility with the Artspira mobile app, you can design, edit, and import patterns directly from your phone, making this machine perfect for hassle-free creativity. Number 2. Poolin EOC06, best for creative flexibility. If you need a larger embroidery area and more flexibility, the Poolin EOC06 delivers. With a generous 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery space and multiple hoop options, it's well suited for larger projects and small business use. This machine comes with 156 built-in patterns, 8 fonts, and a user-friendly 7-inch touchscreen that allows you to drag and edit your designs with ease. It supports USB file transfers, DST, and DSB formats, and runs on the beginner-friendly InStitch i3 system. Number 3. SmartStitch S-1201, best compact commercial option. The SmartStitch S-1201 is a compact commercial embroidery machine that balances power and portability. Weighing just 39 kilograms, it still manages to offer a spacious 9.5 inches by 12.6 inches embroidery area and a lightning-fast 1,200 stitches per minute. Its 7-inch LCD touchscreen provides an intuitive control experience, while built-in Wi-Fi and USB connectivity ensure easy file sharing. Designed to handle various materials, it also features laser positioning and automatic color changes. You'll get everything you need to get started, including threads, stabilizers, and bobbins in the included starter pack. Number 4. BAi The Mirror, best multi-needle for structured projects. BAi The Mirror is a high-speed multi-needle embroidery machine that excels on tough materials like hats, jackets, and bags. Powered by the advanced InStitch i5 system, it operates at up to 1,200 stitches per minute and supports intelligent 3D hat embroidery with stride jump functionality. It includes a full accessory kit for different materials and offers both Wi-Fi and USB support for DST and DSB design files. With free training and an active online support community, this machine is a smart investment for serious embroiderers. Number 5. Brother PE900, best embroidery-only option. If you're focused solely on embroidery, the Brother PE900 is a dedicated machine built for precision and ease. It offers a generous 5 by 7-inch embroidery area and 193 built-in designs with additional file transfer options via USB or wireless LAN. The Artspira app lets you create and send designs directly from your phone, and built-in features like color sort and jump stitch trimming help optimize workflow. Its 3.7-inch color touchscreen makes editing simple, and the inclusion of 13 embroidery fonts in multiple languages gives it added versatility. Number 6. SmartStitch S-1501, best for business expansion. For entrepreneurs looking to scale up, the SmartStitch S-1501 is a 15-needle powerhouse perfect for professional embroidery businesses. It boasts a massive 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, speeds of up to 1,200 stitches per minute, and a responsive 12-inch touchscreen interface. The wide-angle 270-degree cap system and automatic color change allow for fast production, while USB and Wi-Fi support keep your workflow digital and streamlined. This model also includes a full starter pack, making it ready for everything from garments to caps and leather accessories. Number 7. Uten 2200, best budget pick for beginners. Rounding off the list is the Uten 2200, a compact and budget-friendly machine perfect for beginners and creative hobbyists. This computerized model offers 60 built-in stitches and a simple LCD screen that lets you select and customize your work with ease. It supports both electric and foot pedal modes, giving you full control over your stitching style. With adjustable tension, stitch width, and length, it's ideal for quilting, patchwork, and other decorative sewing projects, all without breaking the bank. And there you have it, our list of the 7 best embroidery machines to bring your creative ideas to life. Whether you need something compact, powerful, or built for business, you'll find links in the description for the latest prices and more details on each model. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which machine you're most excited to try.